You also if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out. So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame without making a screenshot. Well, for example, let's say you want to freeze this frame to add a text or show a face or whatever, a reason for you to freeze. So let's say on this frame you need to cut, of course, or use this tool, move just one frame and cut again. Well, of course it depends on the duration you want to freeze the frame. We can change the clip speed and freeze the frame. Well, you can now adjust the duration of this frozen frame for whatever you want. It's like screenshotting but without the huge files and making loads of screenshots. So check it out. Of course, if you want to add, for example, text, freeze on this frame to add the text or whatever. Or if you found something funny and you want to freeze on a face, you can be creative with this stuff. So this is how you freeze a frame on Davinci Resolve. Hope you found it useful. Check my channel, I do loads of tutorials, so check the other videos if you liked. It might be useful for you and for me.